how to create Facebook Reels step by step. Sure, here is a step-by-step guide on how to create Facebook Reels. Number 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Number 2. Tap on the Create button located in the middle of the bottom menu bar. Number 3. From the options presented, select Reel. Number 4. You will now be in Reels creation screen. Tap on the Record button to start recording your reel. You can also select a previously recorded video from your camera roll by tapping on the Select from Camera Roll button located on the left side of the Record button. Number 5. You can use various creative tools to enhance your reel. These tools include audio, effects, text, and stickers. To access these tools, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the Reels editor. Number 6. To add audio to your reel, tap on the audio button located on the left side of the editor. You can choose from the pre-selected audio tracks or search from a specific song used by a searching bar. Number 7. To add effects, text or stickers to your reel, swipe through the options in the editor and select the one you want to use. Number 8. You can also adjust the speed of your reel by tapping on the speed button located on the right side of the editor. Number 9. Once you're done editing your reel, tap on the next button located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Number 10. Add a caption, hashtag and tag other users to your reel. You can also choose whether to share your reel on your Facebook feed, in a group, or in your Facebook story. Number 11. When you are ready to share your reel, tap on the Share button located on the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's it. Your Facebook reel is now created and shared.